Father God, I just sorry say my mother never write one will before she gone. Only because none of us do not know when we are leaving. So everything are basically for the whole of we same way. You understand what I just say?
Yeah, me understand.
You know some love you already. You are my sister and I'm my brother that I love you dearly. You understand?
Who forget the house? And from say who forget the house, I don't know say from mama or papa dead left house and a one house and how much sibling I know what go on, you know. See? Somebody even spell it out, I just want to know watch it from start to finish. You are going on and I bribe me, I bribe you, you know. You see by now in the next 3 weeks, you see I say 30,000 subscribers. Choose between Dan and the Donkey Cat and Bad Granny. Me are going to that. By now in the next 3 weeks. And me are going until the next month end. See? Let me say 30,000 subscriber people. Take care as me telling you. And Dan and the Donkey Cat you now get part 5 or you now get Bad Granny.
Maggy Films.
Maggy. Watch out. Forgot somebody even take up your clothes them. Huh? Oh, I'm gonna take up your bath. Oh my God.
Yeah man, me G. Everything good same way man. Me know you couldn't make it for come my funeral, but I say go. You know mama buried already and my sister one over there me I go look for her and look for the house too. So you know me call her back, search for it. Yeah, man, if I nothing, me make you know what I go on. Look, come over then. Go over here and go look what I go on. Alright. John, no, you know. Mama did left a nice house giveaway, you know. Thank God. Wow. But you're well clean up already. Like you look. Love you look. Bombados. I feel it for you, know, mama, but glad how you left something for me. Appreciate it, you know. Thank God again. I really this mama did garlic for with. Oh my. Great girl. My sister.
Hey, my bro! Run her back!
How are you?
Run her back!
Ah, me are forward. Where should they? Which man close him up over here, my sister over here? What going on money moving in my mama house, you know? Cause problem over here.
I'm so call her back, cause my chatterbox brother come on now. You know I love chat already.
Red girl, how
What?
we are called chatterbox? Think me not hear you?
Me not say that.
Oh, cause me deaf.
Look so.
See how you
Who there?
you're good.
Yeah.
Sis, you know say some things are going over here when me not like. Cause while ago me a walk past around the corner this so. And a big man close me a pass pan where I hang out. Remember say me a only son for my mother, you know. My mother never did have a man when she living, you know. So how man close up on the
And
wire?
I'm one. I want my good friend them man. He beg me to wash clothes for him. I come back for it later. And I'm a man.
So a laundry around.
It's not laundry, I'm a good friend.
A good friend.
Yeah.
Better make sure, you know, cause this a house where mama did left, you know. I have to split between the two of we, you know, me and you.
So what about big sister? How you left she out of this?
So you worry about big sister, we can do a Jamaican and big sister they are foreign and you worry about her.
So? I
Big
throw away
sister
the
swim
house
for
for.
money.
It no matter, I throw away house for.
Shall we?
A matter of fact, the house mostly are for me. Because I'm me there with mama, from mama sick and everything. I'm never see you or my big sister. So I'm mostly for me, you know, in our way.
Hold on, stick up in, red girl. I really that I say.
You hear me?
You know what me come here to talk to you about?
What that?
You see front room, I want to clean out it. Cause by Wednesday, I want to come rent out it. So make sure you take out the things and find somewhere put them.
So hold on there. I'm going to put my things in if I take out all of my things in.
You find somewhere put them.
Find it where?
Cause a man you want to come
Me not,
enjoy my mama dead left house.
me not have no more man in the house.
How you mean no man in the
Just
house?
answer the question. When me go put my things in?
It's
I'm
up
only
to
for
you.
things up there, so you know.
Look how much room mama dead left on the
No,
house.
the room there my specific room.
Well, you can't tell me that you're a younger one and you want to come go on like you want, go on like you're a bigger one. Want to come rule things.
Mama saw me basically in charge of the house, you know. I done so your quarters there, you know.
You more
Up here
ask
saw my quarters.
you. You more ask you. You older than me?
It no matter. Remember say I'm me there mama when mama sick, you know, and me I struggle with mama search you know, and what you do? You take yourself, move out, go and go braff with your friend them because you know want help. So yeah, you can't come say you want to go rent out room. And that's how you go. That can't work.
Yo, me no matter what you want to say, you know. I'm in a business, man. Me tell her that, you know. Me done tell her something already, you know. And I hit her for work with, you know. But me say by Wednesday, everything more have to move out because me have to come rent it. As a matter of fact, don't make me get fed up and take a whole house for you know. One room, me tell her
Take with
say, you know.
chose. Take with chose. You better you go on baby. Because I don't want to you.
You say if you never my sister
Better
today.
you go on. Can't feel my
Lick you
friend
out in
that
that chair right
you
now.
not get no house. Matter of fact, you know, but I get
Alright,
no
we done chat, you know.
too.
When me come back and
One
things
man.
that you take out and you see.
You will see.
We done chat.
One. If you know your favor. Old idiot. Come here, come claim house. When mama there and mama sitting, none of them not there, you know. And as mama did, everybody want to come. None of them not get nothing here.
Yo, you don't know how this a red girl a take man thing for. Look here. Call upon this a man a close. Go here. In a my mother place. Yo. As a matter of fact, the whole of this a place I feel like if I take for a red girl, you know. See all of my clothes that catch me if you catch them on fire, you know. Alright. Me not a while her. How would this a call me? Yo, where are you with grab a dog? No, say up on my place, me dey do a dog. I fear boy I deal with car. Me have a room I rent now, you know. Me have well set and line up. By Wednesday, you might get it. You want one too? What you mean, man? A couple room well me have, you know, man. Can rent out, you know, man. What you mean, man? A 40 grand they go for, man. 40 grand a month. Alright, then anytime, man, I just link me, man. Room there, man. Room. Anytime, man. Alright. Your red girl I get knocked. Take me and come take over this, you know. Our sister Farid. She better not come back, you know, cause this house is mine. How much money me can make over this house, yeah? And red girl want moving, man, for free. You know, my mother place. But that girl is not ordinary. I go down on the road and man go link for my boy them, yeah, man. Oh, it's nice thing. I should have more than 40 grand me rent if I know. Show me dog them still. I'm not pressure them. Try and use them.
Poochie, you don't know some little idiot brother just come and come bad me up to mommy house. Yeah. Poochie, let me ask you a real question. When mommy did there and he's sick, who you see in the house to take care of her? Exactly. This a boy a come bad up boy you want to rent out house and this and that, but matter of fucking go rent the whole house. But a problem in this because none of them now get the house. None of them. In bright. I'm a big sister for come here, you know. But she not gonna really want the house. Cause she full of money and thing alright. I just need that brother me have to worry about. But me not worry about him. Cause he can't get nothing in this kind of there. Yeah. You know say, he come see try close pan the wire. And I come ask. Question like say me have to tell him nothing. When mama there sick, him gone with his friend, them gone abroad and left me one here. So I'm me in charge of this. I will me a youngest. Yeah. But anyways though, I still call you back. Yeah. Alright, sir. You know what I'm gonna do, man.
Go fix the red girl business, you see. Forgot say Jimmy have a solution, you know. Yo, Jimmy. Yeah, Timmy dog. What are you with? You don't know me can't find a good Obia man dog. Brother, top question. Every time I link about something, you ever question me, bad man. Brother, me we talk about that. I can't talk on the phone, brother, cause something serious more link you Obia man about dog. Remember say yo, we can't two chat certain things on the phone in a dog, so where they are now? Yeah, me I can't check it cause I need to find one good Obia man dog. Alright, me I forward right now. Youth.
That's my sister, they call me though. Sis, what happened? From not hear from you, and say you come check me. Yeah, because she want me one night, one big house. Somebody I wonder when you go plan to come. So tell money I come man, so we can prepare everything. So now I tell money I come. She said no, so you can't tell. I'm sorry for funeral day, I'm not see her, you know. The last time I see you, so you must can't come. Tell money I come, so we can prepare everything. Still not talk. Alright then. Alright then. Me go deal with something, so me call it back. Yeah, me have something for the stove. Cool. Where you sprinkle on my yard, youth?
Me yard? What you mean about me yard? Where you get that from? You know, see, I look water me and sprinkle on the flowers. We room them ready?
Which room? Not to say I not get no room.
Just listen. I hope them here come clear everything now. Tell her that.
Hey boy, and what you do my bag?
Yo.
What you do my bag? What you do?
What you mean what me a do?
What you do?
I'm a thump in the eye.
Thump who?
What you mean?
I'm a you know what? I'm tired of this. Look at my bag. Take your one. Take it. You know what? Me a gun cops. You.
Some of these is
You think we don't see have a gun?
You're
They are gun
informer.
cops.
You're not one.
I want to tell the police
Go
the pies have a
informer.
gun. Hey, watch.
You're a girl and you look like informer, girl. I feel like you alone. My mother dead left with this gift.
Watch what I got me. You hear boy? Watch what I got. Jail you go today.
What to? Make a move, yeah, man. Because the girl want informer, you know. You know a police station, the girl gone for real, you know. Never hold him a look more.
Yes, officer. I must ain't threatening me, you know. I must tell him to say I have a gun. So when me see him, me call him, I'm not fi bother come. Kinda dey here. Alright, officer.
John was starving. Tell about some family youth, some family terribly, you know. They say if you're not dead and your family no unite and nah, but I dead youth. How would this a call? What on my sister call about no police and no call? No other informer girl there. Oh, grabber. Yeah, where are you with grabber dog? Oh, your room. John was star, you know, say, come like, you know, I can't get to this week, dog, cause it kind of delay, dog, cause show me they have paint out in there, you know, wanna move out some furniture, dog, and I do some things, you know. So probably you can check back by next week or so. Yeah, dog, a serious thing, but I mean, I go around a thing, dog. You don't know that already, bro. So, you know, when you come rent my room, bro, you get comfortable room for sleep, you know. I don't want you to come and tell me about what kind of idiot room this is for your 40 grand. You have to set up a place nice, bro. Make sure it ends properly set. Alright then. Yo, you can link me. Today when? Wednesday. Can link me about, say probably next week, Thursday. By then time day. Anytime, man. Anytime I can afford, man. No matter the time. But link me Thursday. Alright, look more.
Oh, Dad!
Brooke!
Brooke!
Hi, what going?
Sis.
What going? What going? What going?
I was
Good.
a papa promise, so.
For yourself, man. Are you remember things that me did already tell us when I come?
You never tell me. My must upon the phone and tell me, you know.
Anyway, make it time. So, you good?
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you.
Wait, when you come?
3 days ago, I'm in stay at your hotel. All of my stuff them up there.
See, I was come papa promise. But anyways, come in here. Come inside. I will see you come. Go out here, so. I know so hot.
Yeah.
So,
Boy.
you want something to drink?
No.
You sure?
No, thank you so much. But me just eat something up at the hotel before me come down.
See same thing? Yeah, I live lavish. So why you couldn't call me?
Me drink a lot of juice, but I come for me again once I come, and I'm there.
Why you could have made me come spend a little time with me? So I'm one day here by myself, you know.
We can get a pass for you coming, no problem.
Make sure. Come on, if you not invite me.
Don't worry about that, man. I sorry
Alright then.
about that for you. Where say you alone there?
Oh,
Are you alone there?
you don't see, yes, nobody else here. Me alone there, I'm bored. So me always bored.
Oh. You know, say if you stop telling me lie though.
You kind of
My
like,
sister. Blood sister. So, I know sometimes you will get lonely and feel bored. I understand I want a big house. Even though I don't want nobody to come over here. You understand if you can't take away my mother dead left sitting them. I rather carry them go poor relief. Go give them away. I don't want anybody in my mother things them when she dead left. You understand me? So people who in need of it, I was planning to take them to the poor relief to all those people who need it. But hear me now. I'll tell you something straight up. Me hear say you have a man here, you know.
which man?
Yo, big sis.
What go on, brother?
Yeah, man, over foreign there.
You know, say over here cold do a serious snow, you know, but you know, say me done a figure work already and think me can't watch it snow, you know, me have to just put on my coat and cloak up myself and put on my gloves and everything and my booty and my leggings and everything.
Judge, you know, say that one pre do me call if I show you.
I was going down there, you know, run out of money. No food in the house.
No, if I did that, would have bad enough so bad, but me not like how red girl I deal with the place over there. Me go over there where me see all man clothes man wire and me know wear them the type of clothes and me see all Hennessy back like them over there are floss.
I lie.
They even keep the place clean over there.
And look how me talk to her and tell her, me don't bring nobody come there, so.
No, me not like Jaja, yo, me
I
not
want
like
to Alicia.
you know say even what day me go over there too, you know. And when me look over there, how the place would I look when mama live in and also over there look. Over there nasty, dirty.
Jesus.
I don't like how that little girl there, I treat mama place, man.
Me want tell her so. Me don't have a plan already. She buy one ticket to fly down, but me kind of did a talk to her on the phone and tell her, but it look like she not get it. So when me realize that she not here, when me say, me just change the topic. Me not bother repeat myself, you understand? But anyway, when I time me I'll come down there still, you know?
For real, man. She young too, you know, man. She can't go control the house there, you know. So, I don't know
My
what.
little sister still, you know, I don't want she feel uncomfortable, you know, but she can't take care of man in her house.
That a
I
true
just 5
still.
months ago since her mother gone and her spirit not even come out her house yet and she start bring man in there right now.
I remember
Woman
say,
is supposed to vex about that because she not married. And not carrying a fornication, she come she can't do that something because you know say if her mother did the year we have to married first before we can want man in her house, you know.
all on them, my sister, me no cut you, but me feel say me feel control the place, you know, go and run off, you know, cause the place nah keep clean over there. Every time I pass through over there look nasty looking. Me not like that, my sister.
You can go over there go stay in one of the rooms, you know. You know, even say in the same room where you used to stay in before you leave.
But
You
me,
don't have a problem with that.
but my sister remember say me and me own a place so me control, you know. Me not really want to come over there so come live or stay, you know. Me just want over there clean cause remember me love my mother, you know.
Me know say you love her, but she already passed and gone, and you all we did love her. But you are my brother, and Alicia my sister, and me don't want it to look like me a put out no. Me don't know say you have your place already and you're well alright and comfortable, but if you see place look nasty, you can go over there go make she clean up the place and you help her sort out the place, you know. Because you see sometimes when they young, they don't listen when people talk to them, you know. You understand? I mean, we over years overseas, you know. Me not know where they go on over this, you know. Me can't know unless you tell me or she tell me. And you know, say for a long time, they want to say something to you about Alicia. You know, so one time I put one little argument to Alicia when she did younger. And I realized she had one little liar from she little, you know, and she not talk true. But anyway, me not have to tell her where you just tell me say and thank you if you tell me say she bring man over a place. But would mind you check up on the place to me and make it clean.
Anyways, my sister, you know, say me have to make a move though, but me I keep a closer eye over this. Cause,
Know yourself, man, me
yeah,
understand.
me I make sure she over the govern.
Alright,
Alright,
cool.
so we
Because
link.
me still have to go work and now still now. My second job, me I go up and you know, me have to work the money, you know. I
Alright.
only know say me have to help you, you know, my bigger sister.
Later then my sister. But hold on then my sister. You can't send more $50 more and deal with something.
You know, so me did have it in mind to send you 150 from the other day. You know, go send you look here, you don't know little boy again, you know, you have big money, you know,
That's
my
true.
brother.
That's a true
Bro, you
still.
have big money, you can send you 150 or $200 tomorrow when you leave work.
Alright. May I call me tomorrow and I leave work.
Alright, cool.
Alright, later.
But look, I would tell you that the life story, you know. You know, say, you have feelings I'm like a dirty brother tell you though. A TB tell you though.
When you say, are your dirty brother, remember say, a few brother.
No, son,
And
I'm
not
my
few
brother.
alone brother.
I'm not my brother.
The three of we are brother and sister. Girl, from we mother dead and gone 5 months ago. And the first time you see me back. From after 5 months. And the first thing you hit me with is a lie.
It's not a lie.
Yes.
So you really believe TB? TB To be a liar, you know.
You still a living a denial. You
Tibi
lie
a
to
liar.
yourself. You lie to me. Watch there. Conscience a kill you. Did I call Tibi name to you? Me tell you
Because
say
me know
Tibi tell me
it's
so?
Tibi alone that said that. Tibi alone come here. So Tibi have to tell a lie there.
So, me ask you a question. Tibi ever come here come see a man?
No.
So why you are assume and judge your brother say him tell me that? Or you can prove that day? Or you can prove it?
Because in see close for a line.
What kind of clothes you see on the line? Woman or man?
One of my friend them close. He beg me for buy.
What you there, you know, you get 6
Me like
months
that
on
foolish.
top of 1 year.
Him
Me
beg-
say if a woman clothes or man clothes him see on the line. Because Tibi are not idiot.
Some man close. I say I'm a friend, you know, so he beg me to wash it. Somebody just wash it.
Me ask you a question. And me I send money come to pay light bill, water rate, Wi-Fi, tax and everything, etc. etc. Why, Alicia? Alicia, now your bigger sister, your elderly sister, you don't have to tell me no lie.
What stick up in? Me not big woman now. Me not come off age. Me supposed to have a boyfriend.
Yes, you come of age. Yes, you can have a boyfriend. Yes, you can even live with him, but not in this house. You understand?
So let me ask you a question.
You need to shut up and listen. Remember saying, no, when you turn big woman, me still bigger than you, you know, me older than you, me your elderly sister. You need to listen. You see that house here? I'm me responsible for this house. This house belongs to me. So if me have you in here, so I stay for free. Me no want hear no negative talk come out of your throat. You understand me? You need to think first before you talk. You're not going to stay in another house here with no man. You understand? And me stay foreign and send money to Jamaica to finish up this house. And me wanna pay tax. Me I pay tax. Me broke, work hard in a coal. You know what name coal? Me experience coal. It worse than one deep freeze. Me work in a snow. No sun, thank God we have sun out here so. You understand me? Me work night and day. More while me not sleep, me have a restless night just to build a house here. Anyway, and I run me come for run you out, you know. So you know if you come with the attitude thing. When mother start this house, you understand? Before she die. But and me finish it. Me do most of the work on it. My money going at this. And my money me spend. Wholly per spend of money. Me spending at this.
Let me ask you a question. Are you land?
What you mean if I'm
At my house, you know?
at your house?
My house.
And your land?
My house, my land. Let me and one thing too. You never there when mama sick. You disappear. So, I want to know why you come. I go, no, you can't do that. And me,
Alicia.
and my house, my land, everything.
Alicia? Alicia? When our mother sick, a matter of fact, did sick because she not there no more. Although you understand me. Who send money from overseas come give you to buy Ensure, Pampers, fill our prescription them, and to buy our food and all our vitamins them? Who you think send them come give you? Alicia, me your sister, me not feel like me still have all of the receipt them.
I don't care if you have a receipt them.
And a matter of fact, you talk about house and land. Me don't explain to you about the house already. But you need to know about the land. And me stay overseas and I send money on pay tax. You paying any tax? Show me a receipt then, come have mine. Online, me pay the money for the land. You understand? You a taxpayer? You have no receipt? Me have
Me
all
not care
of my
about your
receipt
receipt.
them.
Me not care about your receipt.
You have to care.
Me not
because
care.
receipt-
Hello, let me tell you this. Me not want to be disrespectful, sis. But at my house, and nobody now come claim us. My house, everything is off in mine. So let me tell you that.
Everything here, so here.
Yes, everybody does have come like they want claim house. You never there here and mama there here, so you have to see out tight. The whole house is for me. I'm a done talk.
I don't think you finished talk yet. Because you don't own nothing here.
We see.
Me not run you out. Me can put you in a one room downstairs because I come to take over and because me I go do this in a one Airbnb thing to make money.
How we have put down
can
there,
get back some of my money when me spend.
Who you have put down there, sir?
You
I'm
are
not like to you.
my sister.
You're rich, you know? You have money, you know? You have a life. You have a life over foreign. Me not have anything. And this alone me have left from mama. I want to come turn it in an area and be no, that can't happen. And I ask, that can't happen.
Right now,
So
our mother in the grave, maybe vexed.
She vexed because of you, because you come. You're the youngest, you know?
Because
And I me I get the treatment, the bad treatment then. You're the youngest.
I don't come to quarrel with you. But if I say I go behave.
Sis, you know what the best thing you have to do right now? I go on here. Because nobody now come take me out of mama house. I'm a done chat. So the best thing you have to do, I go on here. Nobody now come take this house from me. Go on.
I have something to say to you. You see the man when me hear say you can't come here, so? I don't know what kind of lie you tell him. Or I don't know how he deceive you. I don't know when you use a trick you or where you use a trick him. But guess what? You have something coming. You understand? Because me have my liar, me have my receipt. You do not have any receipt. So you should have thank God say, me no come run you out. At least, me I tell you so you can stay in one room downstairs. And me I go put this up, where the upstairs in one Airbnb. And you vex about it because you want everything for yourself. You want something that you did not work for. No, my love. Anyway.
Sis, you talk too much. Just
if
go
you
on.
want to leave, you leave because I ain't going nowhere.
I ain't going nowhere.
Me I go back up at the hotel, but me I go come back
Me no
right
want
here
see you.
because this place belongs to me.
You're alright, you know. If you don't take nothing from me.
Father God, I just sorry say my mother never write one will before she gone. Only because none of us do not know when we are leaving. But God, you know and I know that me work very hard and finish build a house here. And me have me liar and I will never let a family come and take over what belongs to me. Father God, you know my sister, I not stay so bad. She can stay downstairs in one of the room them, but it's like she not understand me. She look trouble. She look problem. Alicia, may I leave now? May I go back up at the hotel? And if you still want the pass, you can let me know. Just call my phone. So later.
Yeah, what your problem? What you call me for?
Calm down.
How go on now?
You know, so Brooke just come a while ago.
Which Brooke? My sister Brooke.
Which other Brooke you know?
How she come here for?
She come here chat, but she got turn the house in an Airbnb.
You must be mad. My house.
Yeah, that she say, and she said, I'm go get one little room for myself and everything. She say, I fear us.
What? Yo, me I come down there now! Red girl! Red girl!
Me there run her back!
Where you say I go on now? You feel like Brooks I go get this? Where you say I go on? Me know what you say. Cause right now for me head not good, you know. My head crab up right now, you know. Tell her that, you know.
Me I say, Brooke come and say she got on the whole house in an Airbnb.
My mother house.
Yeah, she say after her, she said she paid the light bill, everything. She have all the receipt and all those things. She say after her house, and she I go do it.
You come like Brooks she up and coke, you know that? How Brooke for want on my mother house in a Airbnb?
I don't know, you know. You'd have to ask your sister.
Me not ask her nothing. Now you call me, I never she call me.
Well, she said she I go do it.
So Brooks come to Jamaica and he not tell me. Other day me and her talk.
She not gonna tell you. But at that she said she come tell me. She go take over the house. So,
So Brooks say now,
I mean,
what she there now?
she said she had back, me run her hotel. She gone back up there, me run her.
Which hotel she there? Tell me which hotel. Call her and tell me.
Some Rio or something like that. Me not
Rio.
remember.
You know say me I go up there. Come on find out when Brooks she so bad. If you want on my mother house in an Airbnb, my only boy pitney for my mother. So any Airbnb my mother house at turn and me have to do it, not she.
TB, a long time we have fight. I think if we come together and work this out and take over the house, no matter what it costs, because she have everything up there, so you know. She rich, you know, she have every lifestyle where she want overseas and she want come take over this house, which means we have to work together. So you have to just lift off our fighting vibes and we come together.
Yo, Rich now have nothing to do with this, you know. Whether she rich, you know. Rich now have nothing to do with this. Any Airbnb this a turn in, and me have to turn this in a Airbnb myself. Me I only boy pitney for my mother. So nobody feel like sis. We over far no much years now I live our best life. And we with the Jamaica suffer. He might just come take over everything just so. You're mad? When mama sick, you know. Me not see who there more than me and you. She not there, you know. Only thing she do is send $1. And that I don't know love for sure to mama. Money is nothing. And what you do for people nowadays. And what you give them. So I tell you and Brooks that you better call her and warn her, you know.
You don't have a phone?
I chat about we feel live good. When I go to station where you go chat about me have gun.
Yeah, right.
You know say you ever see me with gun yet?
But then already say me have to say if you don't want to work together, then me even say the next word. Me say what me have to say, you know. But me never tell them say I have no gun, so me don't know what the problem.
Imagine to God say me a brother and sister. Said mother, said father. You never yet see me with a gun. And you chat about you go to station go tell them say me have gun.
Me not tell them and you come with a badness, so I'm show you. But to me see when you come here one day with the gun. But come on for that still. We have to work together. Because as you can see, sis come here to come mash up it 2 away and take away the big house and mama left. So you have to wise up and make it 2 away, you know?
That
Work
can't
together.
work on my hand.
So what you plan to do?
What you have in mind?
You not have none of that?
Oh, so that's true, but
That's the only way, you know, so.
But no want to do that and get locked up and left the house.
You know, get locked up.
How we would have work out that? Remember me no want left no evidence back, you know.
Remember saying I badness, so you figure that out.
Here I want to do. I see next time she come here, I want to call me fast.
Yeah, man.
Remember, you know. But I joke out my thing now, you know.
I'm not like you.
Please don't joke you out. Come serious with this. I make sure enough plan you and your sister plan up for me, you know. Because I know say you don't like me and that style, you know. Make sure.
Me not plan up nothing as bad as things, so me not like you. Me not plan up anything. She go take away the house and the house is the most important thing on planet right now for me. Nothing more else. And what me look into, as bad as things say, and me alone and you, they are Jamaica. So anyway, you take it and we have to make, you know.
So you feel so this would work or some food? Which one?
Now, so food not go work, man. I offer her a drink and she never want it, so.
That's the I heard, man. Just call me when she there. Say less.
All
I
right.
make sure, you know. But I go know we're going to chat off your mouth, you know.
My,
Chat
what
about
you?
this, you know.
What?
Where are you do? Come here, go up on the road, you know.
I stay in my yard. I left your house for. I want to come back on your house, catch a
Number to
fire.
call me. And private a number when you call me.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And stop talk about me yard. We yard.
Go on, because I'm my yard. A joke.
Yeah, man, it's okay right here.
Okay. Alright, so this is the house, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can come outside.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take some pictures.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm just going to go to the front of the house and take a full shot at the front of the building. Right?
Okay.
Alright, so Mrs. Lawson, I did get the pictures. So what I'm gonna do now is to prepare the documents so I can put it to the court. Alright? More than likely by say Thursday the latest, I'm going to ensure that I present it in front of the court. Alright, but what I can assure you, being that there is no will, right, I can assure you that the house will have to be sold. Alright, now whatever the court rules, then that's definitely how it will be. Alright, so the court will decide who get whatever percentage of the house. Alright, they are your siblings, and that's how it usually go. Based off experience, I can tell you that that's how it usually goes. Alright.
Lady, let me tell you something. Me get you as me liar, want you deal with the matter as me liar. Me no want hear nothing about no selling nothing, and me have me receipt them. Yes, them are my siblings, me understand. Me not unfair like me want put them out a road. Me already tell my sister say me I go put her in a one room downstairs, and my brother can come and come live same way. Why problem? What kind of selling thing on the depend? Me not understand
Alright,
who no lie and who no ruling no,
I
no
understand.
policy. Me not understand no
Mrs.
policy.
Lawson, I understand exactly what you're saying, all right, but rest assured, it's not left up to me. All right, I'm only advising you based off experience and how it usually goes. All right, so whatever the court decides, that's what we will have to work with. I am your lawyer, and I will definitely be representing you with the documents that you gave me. I will present it to the court, and whenever they go through these documents, whatever they decide, then you'll just have to take it from there.
You come like me have to go get one different liar. Because you look like you forgot to me give you all of the receipt them, and the receipt them when me give you a original receipt and no carbon copy. And me proof that.
I agree with you, Mrs. Lawson, and as I said, I totally understand what you're saying. Now, the fact that you gave me those receipts, that's definitely a plus. All right. So as I said, when I present them to the court and the judge rules whatever the court decides, then that's definitely how it will go. I hope, right? I can just hope that it will definitely go in your favor. Being that it's nothing, it's nothing dramatical or, it's I trust that it will work out in a good favor for you. All right, so no worries.
Okay.
Yes, so I'll definitely keep you posted. I'm going to give you some updates as to how we will proceed. All right.
Okay.
By the latest tomorrow, I should be giving you some updates. Have the documents prepared, give it to you so that we can arrange to get the bailiff to serve them the document to take to court. All right.
Okay. So what kind of lawyer you say you be again?
I'm a probate lawyer.
Okay.
All right.
No problem. Just ask him.
Yes.
Baby. Yeah, you know, so she just come here a while ago. She just come here a while ago to backside. Must see them a reverse, so the plan can't bother happen. But when she come back though, me make you know stills and stills. As soon as she come, I just give her a call. Say can do it right. Alright then.
What is life? Life is a reality, messy poor people living in poverty. Leaders have to. Lana, yes, sir. Yes, someone. Yeah. Miss Larson. Miss Larson. Yes, someone. Miss Larson.
Yes.
How you doing today?
Fine.
Miss Larson?
Yeah.
Well, my name is Marcus Morrison. I'm a bailiff from the court, and I'm here to serve you some documents for court.
Is it the right person?
You're Miss Larson, right?
Yes.
Well, if you're Miss Larson, this is for you, Miss Larson. Could never be another Larson. And you've been served.
So when is the court date?
Well, everything is on the paper, Miss Larson. So you can just read through that tonight, and you get all the information. Matter of fact, I just served your brother one down the road.
Wow.
Like it's a family matter.
Are you serious?
Well, I mean, no, I'm not here to judge. I just do my job.
Okay.
Have a nice day, yeah?
You too.
All right. Well, it's a war. We are living in a war.
I'll tell you that this is serious. Tibi, you know so a strange man just come here a while ago? Yeah, he come serve me paper. So, but me have code and he just done serve my brother down the street. You get served too? I did. But this serious then. So we are going to hurry up and match up what we are do. Yeah man. Me call him on Jiko. A matter of fact, me call her right now and friend her up. Yeah. Tell her say something happen up here and I need her up here. And I call her right away. As she land, me I call you. Yeah, yeah. Call this off. Sis, right now, I kind of feel sick. So this day I wonder if you could have come up here. And I really like come feel bad. I don't know, I just let me go faint. So I'm really have to come up here when I don't here. Alright. Thanks.
Sis! How is she there? Sis! Sis! Round her back. Where you say you feel sick and you round her back? May I come?
Hey, Tibi, she a come on now, you know, she a come on now. So just hurry up.
Alicia, where you say you feel sick? Where they do round here, so? Where they do round here, so? You want me to carry your doctor?
No, man, I feel more better.
Say you eat something from morning?
Mm-hmm.
What you eat?
Chicken.
Chicken alone?
And rice.
Say you're not hungry?
No, I'm not hungry.
Alicia,
Hmm?
you know you're my only sister, not true?
Yeah.
One brother and one sister me have. You see what I said to you? I don't want you to sit down and stress out about it, you know. Because you know say me love you now. You understand?
Yeah.
You see upstairs?
Mm.
It a go turn in a one Airbnb. And downstairs a few. Even though a one room, are still yours. And you see the money when me I make upstairs, I for me, you and we brother. Money I fi go in the tray we pocket. So don't worry about it. Me nah go left you no out. You know my sister and my brother. And you know say me love you now. Anything when me have, I fi the tray away. You understand? So nobody sit down your son and stress out.
So me not have to stress, sis, when bailiff come here.
Don't worry about the belief where you see come here. I don't know war me I look between me and you and my brother, you know. Me just need to settle the matter. Me no want no dispute between me and you and brother. You understand? No dispute between me and you and my brother. Me no want that no war. You just go settle it and make you know say this are for you. Even though up there so me I go rent it out because you know say Airbnb. As me tell you before, the money I go split between the three away. Your pocket now go empty and for me have money, you know, the three away I go have money. So, me not think I no problem, but you better me put in a law and so then can deal with the matter. You understand the right way?
Yeah.
Me not mean no problem. You notice me come and me not war you.
Mm-hmm.
Me no want the controversy. No, this problem thing, that me they run from. Me want the three we live loving, that's we mother we dead and gone. Can feel happy in our grave and know say we are live as one. You understand?
Yeah.
So everything are basically for the whole of we same way. You understand what I just say?
Yeah, me understand.
You know, so I love you already. You know, I love you, man. You're my sister and I love my brother the same way. So don't worry yourself, you hear?
Yeah.
Sis, it no matter what the judge or whatever law tell we. I just don't want them sell the house. Me just want to do the Airbnb and we do it ourselves. All of we can have money. Me just don't want them selling none tall. But the thing about it, me no want me and Uno feel in no war. If me could have just talk to Uno and Uno listen to me, it'd better. I wouldn't have to need no lion or nothing at all. Because me no want the war between me and Uno. I war me and try you know, calm down. Settle it one place. That means you not get escalated and gone over a place. Everybody they chat, oh, since we mother dead and gone, I be a problem over that they are there. It me a run from. Pure problem this or this, and every minute then hear we over your quarrel. Me no come to Jamaica for that. Me come to make peace and make you got money in your pocket and my brother got money also me. You understand? So don't worry yourself about it, man. Don't stress out about nothing at all. So my sister, we don't want no war between none of we. We are one, remember? We are one family. We just want peace. Me can't take that seat here, you know, it make my back hurt. Me want to sit down in this. Me want to lean back, you know, me tired from morning, me sit down up. So, let me tell you something. You are my sister, and I'm my brother that I'm in love on you dearly. You understand?
Yo, what we are do?
What do you mean what me I do?
That another plan, you know? Another plan that.
Jaja. You know what that mean? Make sure you keep your mouth. You don't see me.
Jesus. Officer. Yeah, Alex, yeah. Remember me see him brother me dey talk. Me see him brother me dey talk, but he ain't just take my sister life and gone. He ain't run gone. He might hurt and come fast. Yeah.
Maggy films.
Boom. You know so you enjoy it, man. See? So you know what to do, you know? Subscribe. See? Yeah, man. You see if you can't subscribe, you don't know if you subscribe. Let's say you're a grandma, say grandboy come here. Or grandgirl come here. Go subscribe there for me, man. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. If you can't subscribe and you don't know if you subscribe, ask Maddie. Because make them know, so yo, you see that channel there? We name Maggy Films. I want the toughest channel right now I run the road. See? So, we don't know what to do. See? Out. Big up on yourself.